we're trusting our 401ks and our IRAs and our retirement funds to somebody else. I don't know about you guys, but most of the, actual adulting level, investment accounts I have, they suck a lot. I mean, they suck a lot. And yet somehow we hate on this kind of industry. We, quit any kind of copy or service because we're mismanaging it. We quit any kind of EA or any kind of manual trading because we feel this discouragement or we take some L's. But if you were managing it better and found the strengths in between the weaknesses, I'm gonna experiment. But if I can make money off of somebody else's money, I don't care if it's an extra $500 a month. If I'm making an extra $500 a month that I can put into my health savings plan, for example, which is, tax deductible, or that can pay for one trip to London for me and my children this year, cool. Or that can pay for the down payment for one more investment property in a year and a half. I don't need it to make me, $1 million a month. I don't need it to make me $10,000 a month. If I'm making even $1,000 a month extra passively, and let's say the cost of doing that business is, let's just say it's $200, okay? I have to put money into this and I have to put money into this, and between my servers, my VPSs, whatever, let's say my cost of doing business is $200. I can make me $1,000 in a month, and that's after losses. I don't care where the $1,000 is coming from. I know I'm going to pay some taxes. I know I'm going to have to run it through this. I am now officially, diversifying my income. I don't care where that extra money is coming from. Who cares?